Was that the right amount of force? Can you get the plushie on? Oh, Mom. What if you use less force? Can you get the plushie on? Oh, the plushie went past the... Can you... Was that the right amount of force?